So I'm back. My 3 weeks holiday is over and we need to get some work done. So let's see. So this is still standing. That's quite nice. So what I'm gonna start on today is cutting the hole right here and start preparing for some new foundation and rebuilding this wall. But let's go outside and see where we need to start. So it's just starting to rain. That's quite nice. But anyways, so what we need to do is I need to put the last stones down here. But before I do that, I need to cut a hole up here and here and down, and then I need to make a better foundation so I can rebuild this wall, and then I can take all of this wall down so I can make a new hole for the door that's gonna be into this room. So I'm gonna find the big angle grinder and just cut everything. If it could stop raining, that would be nice. Yeah, but anyways, we need to get started. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so it doesn't seem like the rain will stop anytime soon, so I'm just gonna start taking the wall apart from the inside, and let's see how that goes. So for you guys it will be like 2 seconds. For me it will be 2 days, but let's see. So this guy is getting pretty hot, so I think it needs a break. And I need a break too, so I think I'll go in, grab a cup of coffee, and maybe there's some candy. Got my coffee. I found this Twinkie. It's okay. So I just looked at my channel. We just hit 163 subscribers. That's pretty cool. So thank you for subscribing and watching. So I hope you like watching this as much as I like doing this. So thank you for watching. Now I'll drink my coffee, eat my cake, and get back to work. So okay, I think that's enough for today. I'm gonna save some of this fun for tomorrow. And yeah, I'm pretty tired, so see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next day, and I need to remove the last of this. But this part down here seems to be much harder than the top part, so I brought a bigger tool. So let's try this instead. Okay, so this seems to work. So let's cut to the part where I'm done with this. So I got all the wall down, and I just need to remove a little more over here. So that's nice. And it finally stopped raining. So today I'm gonna start digging out all this dirt, so I can prepare it for some new sand and put in the insulation. So I just borrowed the small digger, and I'm gonna take it off the trailer and drive it down here now. Whew. Okay, so I've just removed all the dirt, so there's room for some new sand and insulation and the concrete. But I need quite a bit of sand in here. So the last thing I need to dig out is this middle section. I've already taken the part over here. It's deep enough now. So the reason I'm not removing this middle part now is to keep this wall stable so it doesn't come down. I hope it's not coming down. Yeah, but we'll see. So what I'm gonna start on now is removing the rest of this concrete, build a form and pour some new concrete so I can start rebuilding the wall that is gonna come here and all the way up here. So yeah, just keep on going. So it's just starting to rain again, so that's pretty nice. So I'm gonna skip forward to the part where I'm actually done with this and ready to pour some concrete. So it's just starting to get a little more dark outside, so it's good. I just finished the form for the concrete, so I think tomorrow I'm gonna fill it up, and yeah, I need to do some more cleaning of all this old concrete I removed. I need to drive it to the dump, so that's gonna be fun. But I think this is it for now, so thank you for watching and see you later.